Kaindi Laktar William Ruto kawuono oromo kod jotelo ma oyiere kombe mopogore opogore bwo riwruog siasa mar Kenya Kwanza kendo twak e weche mathoth ahinya kaka piny owacho margi biro bedo. Koloso e kinde romo makamano ero, Ker Ruto owacho ni piny owacho mare biro bedo mano ero moriwo jo Kenya duto kendo bende gibiro tiyo ne jo Kenya duto kagi biro tiyo koluwore kod chike kanyakla kod demokrasia ma pacho kaendi. Ruto bende owacho ni jotije magoeko mag piny owacho ok bi chiwnegi thuolo mar donjore kod weche goeko mag siasa kata matin. Opako ahinya jokanyo mag Kenya Kwanza kanyakla kod tim mare ma bende olero ni notiyo matek mar neno ni giyudo loch ma pacho kaendi kama indi kaka oloso e romo makamano ero.
And we have discussed here with these legislators and members of both the Senate and the National Assembly that we will be looking at the standing orders. It has not been possible for cabinet secretaries to be interrogated by the legislature. Some members of parliament have been answering questions in parliament. We do not think that is the right thing to do. And we are going to have a discussion so that we can adjust and amend the standing orders to make it possible for cabinet secretaries to get to the floor of the House and answer questions and explain government policy on the floor of the House so that the people's representatives, members of parliament and senators, can interrogate what their government is doing. We do not think that it is enough for cabinet secretaries to go to committees of parliament. We have discussed with our speaker, and there is a possibility of us ensuring that we run an accountable government by making sure that on a daily basis, the people of Kenya, through their representatives in parliament, can ask questions, can interrogate government policy, government programs on the floor of the House so that we can be better accountable as a government. We will be speaking to many of the other issues as we move forward.